Hello, and thanks for joining us. Today, we're going to provide an overview highlighting the uses and benefits of silicone rubber stamping dies. We will look at both general die benefits as well as benefits unique to the dies manufactured by sister companies CER, based in Europe, and United Silicone, based in North America. Let's start by looking at what exactly are silicone stamping dies. Hot stamp dies carry graphics, which are transferred via pressure to the surface of a product or component. Silicone hot stamp dies are made of specially formulated silicone. This silicone is engineered to withstand the extreme pressure and high temperatures associated with hot stamp applications. So, how are silicone dies used? Silicone rubber dies are widely used for the application of hot stamp foil and heat transfer labels onto flat, contoured, or cylindrical shaped products. Here you see the wide range of silicone dies available. Silicone stamping dies can be made of a variety of different silicone formulations. In addition, flat, contoured, crowned, and multi-level shapes are available. Silicone dies can be either photo-etched or machine engraved and can feature either single or dual durometers, with a durometer range from 50 to 95 on the Shore A scale. An expert die manufacturer can help you select the best die for your unique application requirements. There are many benefits to silicone dies. Silicone dies are very good at conforming to surface variations. They feature excellent thermal conductivity and heat conduction properties. Silicone dies are well suited for bonding to metal, and when you compare them to metal dies, they require less stamping pressure. Silicone dies provide high-impact visual performance with pigment, metallic, holographic, or prismatic foils. Beyond these general benefits inherent in silicone dies, there are a number of benefits that are unique to dies produced by CER and United Silicone. These benefits include the availability of high-performance silicone, precision molds, the expertise to eliminate voids, graphic arts expertise, superior bond and recoatable options, large capacity for quick die turnaround, the availability of magnetic quick change dies, and a wide range of die finishing services. We can explore each of these benefits in a bit more detail. Let's start with high-performance silicone formulations. CER and United Silicone offer different silicone formulations, each carefully engineered to meet specific performance requirements. Our UltraSil formulation is well suited for demanding vertical and peripheral applications that require temperatures as high as 550 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as high pressure. Typically, UltraSil is used in manually fed situations. Our second silicone formulation is called ThermoSil. Like UltraSil, ThermoSil offers exceptional heat resistance up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. ThermoSil also offers rapid heat recovery, making it well suited to automated applications. Another capability provided by both CER and United Silicone is the ability to manufacture high-precision molds. Molds are another die manufacturing tool used to ensure superior stamp quality. Making a mold is an essential step to the creation of a finished silicone stamping die. Molds are literally the box that holds and forms the silicone into the graphic design, resulting in a finished die. Molds, also known as make-readies, are part of the production process not seen by end users. Molds are made using either a photo-etched chemical process or CNC machine engraving. While photo-etched make-readies are more cost-effective, there are 3 instances where machine-engraved molds should be considered to deliver superior quality decoration. The first instance is when multiple reliefs are required for full part contact and/or support for character integrity. Photo etching produces a single relief. CNC machine engraving facilitates multiple reliefs and shapes, such as crowns and full contours to match the shape of a part. A second instance where machine engraved molds may provide superior results is when vertical sidewalls are required for part clearance and/or precision foil transfer of lines or characters. CNC engraving for machine engraved molds provide this control and repeatability from die to die. Finally, silicone dies from machine-engraved molds are highly accurate and repeatable. For example, a die used to stamp the lines of a ruler or another measuring device, like the cup shown here, must create a finished part accurate to that scale of measurement. In other words, a hot stamped ruler must accurately measure 12 inches and not 11 and 7/8 of an inch. CER and United Silicone both have deep expertise in using dies to eliminate voids. CER and United Silicone's dies are improved by our experience and unique manufacturing techniques. Texturing or screening of dies in conjunction with our approach to reliefs, the raised area of a die, can eliminate voids which cause air entrapment and compromise decoration. Our texturing technique eliminates air entrapment inherent to hot stamping large, bold, or solid areas. Our overlay of a dot matrix pattern to your artwork enables air to be vented through the face of your die utilizing a series of stamped dots, creating a network of fine graphics versus one solid area. This technique is achieved utilizing various dot sizes and spacing to best accommodate each application. Quality graphic design is the first and most important step in successful, quality hot stamp decoration. No amount of sophistication in die manufacturing can overcome bad artwork. Best practices in graphic design include the use of original vector artwork with resolution of at least 600 dpi, with crisp lines and characters. That is to say, graphics must be clearly defined and sufficiently spaced, and the entire image should meet minimum line weight requirements. The saying, "garbage in, garbage out," applies to hot stampable artwork. Getting the graphic design right is crucial. At CER and United Silicone, our graphic artists are available and ready to work with you to turn your vision into reality. Both CER and United Silicone are proud to offer superior silicone to metal bonding and re-coatable die options. Our proprietary and adhesive-free silicone to metal bonding provides highly doable and mess-free bonds. Also, select silicone dies can be recoated for repeatable use, generating significant cost savings. Our market-leading die capacity enables CER and United Silicone to provide quick turnaround on many die orders. In addition to standard dies, we are market leaders in the creation of custom die solutions. Our unique in the market magnetic quick change dies provide unmatched efficiency. With magnetic die mounting blocks, die changeover and setup time is dramatically reduced. Magnetic die blocks mount to your machine, allowing dies to be easily affixed, eliminating the need for screws to secure the hot stamp die. This allows for up to 90 times faster die changeover speeds, simplified toolless die changeovers, and as much as a 50% improvement in die mounting accuracy. Finally, both CER and United Silicone offer a wide variety of die finishing services. These services include hole drilling, matching dovetail, and special trims. Finally, now that we've reviewed both general benefits of silicone dies as well as benefits unique to dies from CER and United Silicone, we thought it might be helpful to take a quick look at the difference between hot stamp and heat transfer silicone dies. While hot stamp and heat transfer decoration processes are very similar, one of the differences between the two technologies can be seen in the dies used. The molds for hot stamp dies carry the image to be used. They are more complex than the molds used for heat transfer decoration, where no graphic image is carried on the die because the image comes from the heat transfer label itself. Would you like more information about our silicone stamping dies? Please get in touch. We are eager to speak with you.